Hello! Welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon. If you enjoy watching my video, please give us a thumbs up and do leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. Today's unique recipe out of the box is Poha Cutlet, 100% vegetarian breakfast. A very delicious and very much popular recipe. Let us now have a look onto the main ingredients and let's get started. The main and the core ingredient, which is the poha, has been cleaned and soaked for 10 minutes and completely drained off. The quantity is around 2 cups of poha, very thin poha. The coriander leaves has been roughly chopped around half cup. This is half cup of breadcrumbs. 2 medium size of potato which has been pre-boiled. 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder. 1 tablespoon of zeera, that is cumin. 3 green chilies which has been finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of salt or according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. 3 garlic pods finely chopped. So here I am adding the pre-boiled de-skinned potatoes. To this I am adding the poha. Just combine and mash them together. Here I am using my hands so that I can get the texture accordingly. To this I am adding the turmeric and pepper powder. Then goes the salt, the chilies, that is the green chilies, the zeera, that is cumin seeds. To this I am adding the chaat masala powder. Now goes the chili powder. Then goes the finely chopped garlic. To this I am adding some coriander leaves which has been finely chopped and also some breadcrumbs. This is around half cup. Just give them a good mix and combine them together very well. To combine them completely and bind them together, I'm using my hands. Obviously you have to keep your hands clean and then just mix them thoroughly and combine it very well. Apologize for not mentioning the garam masala powder which have been added. So just 1 tablespoon garam masala at last and then give it a good mix all together. To shape them and to make a cutlet form, what I'm doing is I've just greased my hands and I'm just rolling them together. I've picked up a really big chunk of poha mixture and then I'm just shaping them into cutlet. So just pat them and roll them and just shape them to the edges. That's all you need. So roll them, flatten them and press against your palm and give them a shape. That's all you need to do. This technique hardly needs a minute to do. So it's very easy as if accordingly you follow the pattern or the technique. And this yields around 8 to 10 pieces. The overall mixture yields around 8 to 10 pieces. I'm keeping my poha cutlet as light as possible. So I am not deep frying, nor do I'm using any shallow frying technique. I'm just using 1 tablespoon of oil, just grilling them, pan grilling them. All my pieces would be, the poha cutlet would be pan grilled. I wouldn't overcrowd the pan, so I'm just adding 3 pieces at a time. First 3 minutes is very crucial. Just let them grill together and press them against the heat so that the distribution of heat is evenly and it doesn't break into pieces. Suppose 2 to 3 minutes, you can just flip them and grill them. Do not add too much of oil. It hardly needs around 1 tablespoon of oil. My poha cutlet has been cooking onto medium to high flame. Not too low, not too high. Flip them every 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking the side edges of the patties is quite a tricky part for me. So what I'm doing is just lifting them and just pressing against the pan so that it also has that burned and perfectly cooked, evenly cooked, you could say. This is the texture I'm looking for. It needed only 5 to 10 minutes. So 2 more minutes and it's done. I'm going to say I've just used 3 patties at one go. So it took me hardly around 5 to 6 minutes. Here goes my second batch. Without oil I'm doing this. Not even 1 teaspoon of oil. What I can do is give them some extra time. More 3 minutes or more 5 minutes. So that I get the exact crispy and the texture. Look at the layer. The color has been browned perfectly with perfect texture. As mentioned, I'm giving extra time, around 5 minutes for each patties. So this would take anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes to pan grill them perfectly. The droplets of oil which you have seen is from the previous batch of poha cutlets. So here it goes, a crispy, healthy, delicious poha cutlet where I've just used 1 tablespoon of oil and for few, none. Stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian journey. And thank you for watching.